If you are giving mock tests regularly but your score is stuck at the same number, then let me tell you something very honestly. The problem is not your intelligence and it is not even your preparation. The real problem is how you are analyzing your mocks. Most CLAT aspirants believe that giving more mocks automatically increases their score, but that is not true. Toppers improve because of deep analysis, not because of the number of tests they attempt. Today I am going to explain the exact mock analysis system that can increase your score by at least 15 to 20 marks within 2 months if you follow it seriously. First, understand this clearly. A mock test is not a performance show. It is not meant to impress anyone. It is a diagnostic tool. The real improvement begins after you submit the test. The moment you finish a mock, do not just look at your total marks and close it. Instead, sit down with a notebook and divide every question into 4 categories. The first category is correct and confident. These are your strengths. The second category is correct but guesswork. These are dangerous because they create false confidence. The third category is wrong but attempted. This is where most learning happens. The fourth category is left unattempted. This tells you about time management and fear zones. Now, once you classify them, go deeper into every wrong question and ask yourself why you got it wrong. Was it because you misunderstood the passage? Was it because you rushed due to time pressure? Was it because you applied outside knowledge in legal reasoning? Or was it simple carelessness? You must write the reason next to every mistake. This creates awareness. Over 5 to 6 mocks, you will notice patterns. Maybe you are consistently misreading logical reasoning questions. Maybe you panic in quantitative techniques. These patterns reveal your weaknesses clearly. Another very important step is time audit. After every mock, write how many minutes you spent in each section. If legal reasoning is taking you 40 minutes, that is a serious problem. If you are rushing GK in 10 minutes, that means you are not reading carefully. You must gradually optimize your timing so that you maintain both speed and accuracy. Now let us talk about accuracy. Most students focus only on attempts. They think attempting 110 questions is impressive. But CLAT rewards accuracy, not random attempts. Calculate your accuracy percentage by dividing correct answers by total attempts and multiplying by 100. Your target should be 85 to 90% accuracy. If it is below 80%, reduce attempts slightly and work on precision. There is one powerful technique that toppers use which average students ignore. After 3 days, reattempt the same mock without looking at solutions. If you still get certain questions wrong, it means there is a conceptual gap. Work specifically on that area. At the end of every week, calculate your average score of all mocks taken that week. Do not focus on one bad test. Focus on trend improvement. If your scores are gradually rising from 70 to 78 to 85, you are on the right track. Remember, improvement in CLAT is data-driven. Emotions will mislead you, but numbers will guide you. If you analyze your mocks deeply and honestly, your score will rise automatically. Mock tests are not about checking rank, they are about building rank. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.